Okay. Hi, I'm Dr. Tal Cohen. I'm a trainer in R3 seminars. I'm from Portland, Oregon. I'm the program director of a New Way clinic, a clinic that integrates functional medicine together with regenerative medicine. So the importance of coming into a seminar that involves and includes the theoretical part of the stem cells and the stem cell practice, and together with hands-on in a surgical center is extremely important, because on your first day as part of your training with R3, you will learn not just about stem cells and regenerative medicine, but also other techniques and ways to market and sell and get more clients into your practice. And that together with another day of hands-on approach, well, you will have trainers and doctors that will show you how to do these procedures in a more effective way using ultrasound, fluoroscopy, and using regenerative cosmetic infusions and different protocols that R3 has been successfully using to help patients with degenerative joints all the way to neuropathy and even advanced brain protocol that we'll be happy to share with you once you come in to attend our seminars.